10 Best Free Dating Sites Scotland. Finding love in Scotland can be tough, especially with so many dating sites promising results but leaving you frustrated. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 best free dating sites in Scotland that can help you find meaningful connections without breaking the bank. Be sure to watch the whole video, because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. Plenty of Fish is one of the largest free dating sites with thousands of active members across Scotland. It's perfect for finding anything from casual dates to serious relationships. 9. Bumble gives you the power to make the first move, putting you in control of your dating experience. It's especially popular in big cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow. 8. Tinder is known worldwide and is very popular in Scotland for both casual dating and long-term relationships. Its swipe feature makes meeting new people quick and fun. 7. OkCupid stands out with its unique matchmaking quiz that helps you find compatible partners. It's a top pick for people looking for serious relationships. 6. Mingle 2 offers free messaging and an easy-to-use platform for singles across Scotland. It's ideal if you're looking for fast and straightforward online dating. 5. Badoo is popular for connecting with new people nearby through chat and video calls. Its large international community ensures you'll always have new profiles to explore. 4. If you're interested in dating within Scotland's Muslim or Arab community, Love Habibi is the perfect platform. It's free, easy to use and offers a supportive dating environment. 3. Match.com is one of the most trusted dating platforms globally, offering a free membership with access to many dating features. It's well known for creating lasting relationships. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. 2. ScottishDating.co.uk. This site is designed specifically for singles in Scotland, making it easier to find someone local with thousands of active members. It's great for serious dating. MatesRatesDating.com, known for its free services and Scotland-based singles. MatesRatesDating.co.uk is perfect for finding love close to home. 1. If you're a pet lover, DateMyPet.com is a fun way to meet fellow animal enthusiasts in Scotland. It's a unique dating site where pet lovers can connect. 2. FriendFinder.com offers free sign-up and is ideal for forming both friendships and romantic relationships. It's popular worldwide and has many active members in Scotland. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.